Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today I am doing the third video from my series of animal cupcakes, and this one is the owl. And the tips that I am using are for his body, the white chest part of his body. I'm using a round number 12 tip. And for his feathers that go all the way around, uh, up and down his arm area and over the top of his head, that's a leaf tip number 352. And his nose is also leaf 352, the orange nose. And then for his eyes, I'm using sixlet candies, which are kind of like M&Ms, but they're just totally round, uh, not flat like an M&M. They're round, more like a marble, but they make perfect eyes. And I had to buy those on Amazon because I couldn't find black ones locally. So I will put those in the description, a link if you're interested in buying some of those. And do me a favor, hit subscribe. It's free to you and it helps me to be able to make more videos. And you'll get a notification when I put out a new video. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have good luck when you try to make the owls. Take care.